know you're winning, I'm winning, we all are winning, I'm winning, I know you're winning. This is Punu ndoda. Ngicela ukubuza guys, is it true ukuthi ngathatha avocado leli ngilihlanyele? Mhlali qala ukuzala ngiyabashiya belidla mina semfile. Abantu baqinisile hayi kabi ngiyabuza. Phela ndlela zothiwa hey ungahlanyela iavocado, lizala wena usukhambile. Bona sebelokhuza. Abantu they are scared of planting this. Ukhona yena oseke walihlanyela bakithi walidla. Phela I'm scared but I like it a lot. In fact, I love avocados. Futhi nenelidla avocado leshukela kathi. Nenza kanjani? Ngiqala ngiphendule ngizoba ngigcina intanga le hayi kawiba mahlabe ezulu. Mangivimbisa beziphu. Mbona ngoza lihlanyela.
Kade ngingahlanga.
Bisa bese siphu. Hayi kabi ngiyabuza ne. Hayi ukuthi ngiyadlala, hayi ukuthi i-content I need to know. Ngizwa abantu besitshwa njalo, guys. So I need to know, is it true or false? As I speak now, ngifuna ukulidla ne-rice. Ngilifaka noma yikuphi isinkweni, rice, kwathi. Kodwa ngiya-add salt. Nomntana wami uyala ukulihlanyela la wezwa khona ukulithoma lihlanyela, uhlalizala, uyataka. Is it true? Lokho ngavanga ngilihlanyela lingakaphenduli ngengcono ngihlale khonapho sithenga kolaba abalawo. Well, we can't risk. But I think it's just cultural belief, ne? Khona uswakwafu omaziyo wena wayelihlanyelile lasala lilidla.